In this chapter, we'll look at how to wall mount the charger. The charger box contains everything you need for installation. An installation manual is also included so you can refer to it at any time. These are the materials required for installation. Nylon plug diameter 6 multiplied by 30 mm. Countersunk head screw diameter 4.8 multiplied by 32 mm. Ceiling caps socket head cap screw diameter 3 multiplied 6.8 mm. The box also contains a diagram for correct wall mounting. It contains the 4 anchoring points as well as a guide to help place it in an upright position. It's important to level off horizontally before placing the model. Next, we place the model on the wall. Make sure the level is correct and mark the drilling points. Drill the drilling points with a 6 diameters drill bit. First, install the N+S nylon plugs, diameter 6 multiplied by 30 mm. Place the charger on the anchor point and screw it down with the 4.8 diameter multiplied by 32 mm countersunk screws. We place the plugs to ensure a wider thickness. Next, we drill a hole in the part of the e-charger with a diameter 32 crown to pass the wiring to the charger. We fit the cable gun and pass the cables through. We now proceed to the electrician installation, which we will show in the next section.